What's up, guys? I'm gonna show you guys how to fix this elbow. For whatever reason, they decided to make that right there plastic, and with due time it does crack and leak. Mine is actually leaking right now, so I'm gonna show you guys how I fixed it. There's two bolts on the plastic right here. As you see, one bolt goes there. 10 millimeters, you take it off so you can reach the back. I'm gonna get some pliers, so some like 90-degree pliers, so I can loosen up the clamp that's back there. Okay guys, so to take this off, the cover has 4 small rivets like that you pop off, and this cover comes off as 2 pieces into one, and then you're able to just pull this out. As you can see, this is what broke. It's the inside part, so this will have to go like this. Yeah, it kind of goes like this. I'm gonna see how I'm gonna make this work. This is a lot shorter, but this is what we have. So yeah guys, after the smoke is from what the antifreeze was falling on the actual catalytic converter and header. But I'm gonna let it run for 5 minutes so it can build up pressure to see if it leaks. If not, job done. You go after everything is put back, all your plastics and trims. All you're gonna see, the notice is just that this is brass, but it beats plastic. That's gonna, unfortunately, start leaking from this 90-degree elbow. That's plastic. Yep, that's how you fix it. About $8 and you get 2 90-degree brass fittings, or you can pick them up at Home Depot, whichever one you choose.